Lash baths are important. That helps you get that good retention. Hello, this is Monty from Eyelash Flavor. In this video today, we're going to talk about the importance of a lash bath. So the benefits of doing a lash bath is it helps remove dirt, oil, and makeup. It helps retention, and it also keeps the lashes clean and prevents infection. It also makes the eyelash extensions look fluffier. The ingredients to the lash bath that I use is baby shampoo mixed with water in a foaming pump bottle. When should a lash bath be done? A lash bath should be done every time your client comes in for a fill-in, and if your client comes in with mascara on. Clients should never come in with eye makeup or mascara because the retention of the lashes will be shorter if they do. You cannot do lash extensions on top of mascara because mascara has oil in it, and the oil from the mascara will make the lashes fall off. And the eyelashes cannot properly bond to the extensions if there's mascara on them. A lash bath should also be done at home if a client wears makeup regularly. Are you supposed to charge for a lash bath? If a client comes in for a full set and they have mascara on their lashes, and you clearly have it on the website, do not come in with mascara because everyone should have that on their website, correct? If you have on the website, do not come in with mascara or eye makeup on, and your client ignores your rules and still comes in with mascara and eye makeup on, you should charge them because it's going to take you about an extra 15 minutes to clean their lashes, when their lashes should have came clean enough for you just to prime the lashes. When a client comes in for a fill, you should not charge them because you always want to start off with clean lashes. So every time a client comes in for a fill, you should be doing a complimentary lash bath, or the price should be included in the fill. Next is a video on how I perform my lash baths. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment any lash bath tips that you may have. Thanks for watching. Bye.